Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah, sticks are authorized on site. We're not going to let this thing go high speed if we can help it.
Everyone's got them. Center lane, southbound Nova.
Alright, everyone, you call it?
They are. They just pulled into Florida Gun Exchange again.
Alright, let's get in there. Let's get a couple people to take the car and cover the third man in, cover the exit with sticks. Let's coordinate this. We all go in at the same time. Okay, K9, you guys, you be the lead car. Take the front, do your thing, and again, the third car in, get the sticks on the exit. And K9, it's on you.
Everyone, if we block them where they're at, can they go forward at all?
No, if they go in reverse, they're going to go in a ditch, and if you block the nose of that vehicle, they cannot get out. You just had a silver pickup park right next to them. That silver pickup still has occupants in it.
Yeah, but everyone just said there's an occupied car next to it, so just hold what you got.
WC1, do you want us to call inside the business?
Yep, just get ready to queue up and tell you. Call them, tell them to get their security in place, lock the door, nobody in or out.
And that pickup truck that parked next to it is cleared. They're in the store.
All right, everybody keep in mind the plainclothes task force units in the area. Central, let us know when the store's locked down. We're going to take action on that car.
I copy. 1039, they're locking it down. I am. Mom, Dad, and two small kids out by the fish pond before they locked it down. They want to bring them inside.
Family of four is getting in a red lifted pickup on the south side of the parking lot.
Okay, when that family leaves and we got that traffic shut down, we're going to have to take that car in.
And Central copy.
I give you a countdown. X-ray 10, be ready with sticks. We're going to have to go around some parking stones to get to them, so they may flee as soon as they see us come in. Somebody needs to hit the exit. 30.
Right behind you, Mike, yes. I'll block the exit with my car.
30 has the exit. Cody, you ready?
Move in.
All right, they're moving, Rick.
Everybody, hands!
I'm right behind you, Mike.
Seat. Put your hands on the roof. Crossfire, Adam, get over here with me.
Hands up! Back seat!
Back seat don't have his hands up. He's fidgeting around.
All right, let's get compliance on the driver first.
Driver! Open the door. Open the door.
I can see the back seat. All right, Mike, you call commands, I'll go hands on, you get them back.
Come out of the car.
Don't you put your hands
Don't put your hands down.
Hands up. Yeah, you'll get shot if you do that again.
Take 2 steps to the left outside the car.
Watch that back.
Turn around with your back towards me. I want you to lift your sweatshirt up. Let me see your waistband.
I got it.
See it? Clear?
Yep, he's clear.
Walk back to me. Backwards. Yes, sir. Backwards.
Put your hands up high. Put your hands up high. I got it.
Go ahead and cuff it.
You want this?
Walk back. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
walking.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep walking.
Stop right there. Get on your knees. Get on your knees and put your hands up.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
We need some additional people for a receiving team by the front of the car.
Here, ready?
3 guns in the car. You got a warrant for your arrest. Passenger!
Have them climb over.
Exit out the driver's door. I need cuffs.
Right in the front. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. High in the sky, man. There you go. Walk to the right. Stop right there. Take your left hand, grab the back of your collar. Left hand, back of your collar. Up by your neck. There you go. Lift it up. Lift it up. Turn around, I want to see your waistband. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Walk backwards towards me. Mike, you got him?
Yep, I got him.
Keep on coming. 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 Don't worry about your shoe, man. Stop. Get on your knees.
Put your hands behind your back. Is there any guns in that car? There is?
Yeah.
How many?
Just one.
One gun in the car. Where's it at? Find out where it's at. Right in front of him in the passenger floorboard.
Okay. Driver rear to the driver's seat and out.
Driver rear passenger behind the driver's seat. Exit your door.
Four or two door?
Come out.
There you go.
Yep.
Two are out. There should be two left. Put your hands up, man. All right, Mike. You go.
Keep your hands up over your head. Come out to where we can see you and raise your shirt up to where we can see your waistband. Turn around. Come back here. Back to my voice. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Get down on the ground on your knees. Put your hands behind your back. I'm going in the cup. Good. How many guns in the car? Stay there. How many guns are in the car? I didn't ask you that. Stand up. Here. Backseat passenger! Crawl out the same way your buddy came out.
Keep them up high, man. Keep your hands up high.
Yeah.
Try harder. There you go.
Crawl out. Come out, turn around. Let me see your shirt. Lift your shirt up. All the way around. Spin around. Back to the sound of my voice. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Get down on the ground on your knees. Put your hands behind your back. Anybody else in that car? Stand up. Can you see anybody else in the car?
I don't see anybody.
He says there's nobody else in the car. You ready to clear it? Move. You got a trunk button there, AJ?